I'd like to introduce you to another Coach bag today. This is the Edie 31 shoulder bag in Willow flowered detail. It comes with the Pebble leather. The color here is the ox blood, and the hardware is gunmetal. And as you could see, this is a really nice, elegant bag. It comes with the gunmetal logo on the front, and it has a really nice 2 detail flower here. I'm sure we could see that. And you could see it has like a star around, so it has a really nice intricate details on both sides. Comes with the gunmetal hand tag here. And this is the other side. And this is the bag. And here's the bottom. It's really nice. It comes with the 4 feet here to protect the leather on the bottom. And let's take a look on the inside. It has a magnetic clips, and it has a 3 division basically. The first division, we'll take this one out, is just 2 slip pockets. And on this side here, it has a zippered pocket. And let's take a look on the middle side. You have a turn lock in here, and then you just flip it open. So it's a major big compartment. It does come with a dust bag. And let's zip it back. And let's see. Let me go through this one more time. Oh, maybe not. There you go. And let's take a look at this one more time. And I'm going to bring it a bit closer for you to look at the detail. And then the interesting part is it has 3 flower details here. And let's compare this to the size of the water bottle. The dimension of this bag is 12.5 inches in length. It's about 10.25 inches in height. And it's about 4.25 inches in width. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.